Champs. Term book. Class first. Third term. Mathematics. Chapter 1. Addition and subtraction up to 99. To add numbers using a number strip, you start at the first number and move to the right by the amount you want to add. For example, to add 4 to 5, you begin at 5 and move forward 4 steps to reach 9. To subtract numbers using a number strip, you start at the first number and move to the left by the amount you want to take away. For example, to subtract 6 from 10, you begin at 10 and move backward 6 steps to reach 4. Adding means moving forward or to the right, while subtracting means moving backward or to the left. This method works for any numbers up to 99. Addition and subtraction using tens and ones. Understanding tens and ones before adding or subtracting, you break each two-digit number into its parts, which are tens and ones. You must always align them vertically. Addition using the carryover method. Let us solve 28 plus 35. First, you write it down vertically. Separate your columns for tens and ones. Always start on the right side, which is the ones side. Second, you add the ones. 8 plus 5 equals 13. You cannot put two digits in the ones column. 13 is 1 10 and 3 ones. You write the 3 in the ones column and carry the 1 10 over to the tens column. Third, you add the tens. You must include the carried over 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. You write the 6 in the tens column. The final answer is 63. Subtraction using the borrowing or regrouping method. Let us solve 62 minus 47. First, you write it down vertically. Again, always start on the right side, which is the ones column. Second, you subtract the ones. You cannot take 7 away from 2 because 2 is smaller than 7. You must borrow from the tens column. Third, you borrow from the tens. You take 1 10 from the 6 tens, which leaves 5 tens. That borrowed 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. You add those 10 ones to your original 2 ones to get 12 ones. Fourth, you complete the subtraction. In the ones column, 12 minus 7 equals 5. You write down the 5. In the tens column, 5 minus 4 equals 1. You write down the 1. The final answer is 15. Addition and subtraction up to 99. Method using zeros. Compensation. Addition example. 38 plus 47. First, spot the number near a 0, which is 38, close to 40. To make it simpler, we add 2 to 38, making it 40. Now the new problem is 40 plus 47, which equals 87. Since we added 2 to make it easier, we must now subtract 2 from our result. 87 minus 2 equals 85. Alternatively, some prefer to add to make a 0 on just one number, and then subtract the difference. 38 rounded to 40 is adding 2. The new problem is 40 plus 47. That equals 87. Since 38 was increased by 2, we subtract 2 from the result. 87 minus 2 equals 85. Subtraction example. 72 minus 39. First, spot the number near a 0, which is 39, close to 40. To make it simpler, round 39 to 40, which is adding 1. The new problem is 72 minus 40, which equals 32. Since we subtracted too much, 40 instead of 39, we must add back the difference. 32 plus 1 equals 33. Other examples. 59 plus 26. Round 59 to 60, adding 1. 60 plus 26 equals 86. 86 minus 1 equals 85. 85 minus 28. Round 28 to 30, adding 2. 85 minus 30 equals 55. 55 plus 2 equals 57. Why use this method? Faster mental calculation, less reliance on standard borrowing and carrying, and reduces common errors.